Hello, today I will show you how to tighten the frontal lace. So you will need measure tape, invisible thread and needle, chalk and scissors. Our client brought us this wig. She has quite short hairline and she said the lace is too big, so she wants to tighten it on each side by 1 centimeter. So first I will mark it. We'll mark here and I will do it from almost zero here, and I will be adding. So this 1 centimeter I will do it on the top. I can't do 1 centimeter all the way. It would be here, it would make bulk. So I will do it actually like this way. I will use the invisible thread. So I am using double thread to make it stronger. About this length, it's not good if it's too long, it can be knotted. So I will start doing double knot here, just secure it, and now I will be slowly adding more and more and more, and I am using the back stitches. On this side I use the NPU here, but on this other side I have to obviously stitch it inside the lace, so I am careful not to break it. Stitch is really small, so I'm in the end now. So I will make again like double knot and I will take it off. So from this side it looks okay as well. I will do the same on this side. So again 1 centimeter. So now I finished the other one. I will do again double knot, and now I will use, you can use any needle, this one, and I will have a look from the other side. This side. So now I finished from this side. This side looks nice, but now from the other side, as you can see, there is some excess of material. I did only 1 centimeter, so this is not too much, but sometimes I do more. So there are two options now. I can take needle and invisible thread, and I can sew it in a little bit here so it's not floppy, or I can take scissors and just cut it off. If you are doing more than 1 centimeter, this part might be much bigger, so if you choose to just sew it on it, you might need maybe not some hair if you create a patch. I prefer to just cut it off, and that's it. Now I made the lace, the frontal lace, smaller by 2 centimeters, 1 centimeter on each side.